Hello fam. Yeah. Love listening to ocean sounds and nature sounds. Anyway, I don't know if I showed people that one. At least. I'll take right here. Hopefully my health pending, if I can get to keep on customs, I'll do my best, but this thing's not good, you know. What I suffer from is degenerative nerve damage. It's more than one thing, well documented. All that out of an X-Acto knife, hacksaw blade, and sandpaper. If I can do that just with a simple tool, or simple tools, I'll have it all. What do you think? And I don't mean to seem that I am arrogant. I'm not. Just saying. Love you, fam.